Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search Facebook account by phone number. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you simply need to click on profile on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on settings. Once you are here, you simply need to click on this search icon and you simply need to search for the contacts. So once you are here you can see different options. You simply need to click on device permissions and then you simply need to click on contacts, and here you can see that currently it is allowed. You simply need to click on update settings, click on open device settings, and from here you need to click on permissions, and here you can see contacts. From here you need to allow the contacts permission, then you need to go back, and after that you can see if you have any person number that will suggested you on Facebook. So this is the complete process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.